Clear a 13.B2 paper jam for the HP LaserJet Enterprise printer series. An error code beginning with 13.B2 on the printer control panel can indicate a paper jam in the top door. The 13.B2 error is either followed by FF or an A or D and then the tray number. For the full list of error codes, refer to the video description. Open the toner access door by pressing the toner release button on the side and pulling the door forward. Remove the toner cartridge from the printer by pulling it straight out. Remove any jammed paper found inside the printer. Caution: do not touch the transfer roller, this can affect print quality. Lift the green lever to open up the paper feed area. Remove any jammed paper by slowly pulling towards the back of the printer and then out. Press the green access lever to close the paper feed area. Remove any jammed paper by slowly pulling out from inside the printer. Reinstall the toner cartridge. Close the toner access door. If the steps in this video have not helped resolve your printer issue, contact HP customer support at hp.com/go/contact HP.